Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the Max Waters Very Easy Sudoku Volume 2. There is a link down in the description, or you can just search for it on Amazon. I do make a small commission for many purchases. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 177. If we start with this box, we're missing 1, 3, and 6. We've got 1 and 6 here, so this is our 3. No other help. So 1, 6, 1, 6. For this box, we're missing 2, 4, and 6. We've got 2 and 6 here, so this is our 4. 2 here, so 6, 2. That 6 makes this our 1, 6. For this row now, we're only missing a 9. For this row, we're missing 1 and 5, and I don't see any help. So 1, 5, 1, 5. For this row, we're missing 3, 4, and 8. We've got 4 and 8 here, so this is our 3. 4 here, so 8, 4. For this column now, we're missing 1, 2, and 8. We've got a 2 here and an 8 here, so this is our 1. That 2 makes this our 8, 2. For this box now, we're missing 6 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 6, 7. For this column now, we're missing 1 and 5, and I don't see any help, so 1, 5. For this top row, we're missing 2 and 6. We've got a 2 here, so 6, 2. For this box now, we're missing 1, 4, and 8. We've got a 1 here, so 4, 8. 8 here, so 1, 4. 4 here, so 1, 8. For this box, we're missing 1, 4, and 6. We've got a 1, oh, we've got an 8 there. That makes this our 1, 4, 8. What were we missing here again? 1, 4, and 6. So we've got the 1 covering both of these boxes. And we've got a 4 here, so that makes this our 6, 4, 1. For this column now, we're missing 1 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 1, 5. For this column, we're missing 4 and 9. We've got a 4 here, so 9, 4. For this box now, we're missing 2 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 2, 6. For this row now, we're missing 4, 7, and 9. We've got the 4 here, so 7, 9. 9 here, so 4, 7. 4 and 7 here. So this is our 9, that makes this our 7, 4. For this row, we're missing 1, 6, and 8. We've got 1 and 6 here, so this is our 8. 1 here, so 6, 1. That 1 makes this our 5, 1, 5. For this box now, we're missing a 9. And for this box, we're missing 1 and 7. We've got a 1 here, so 7 and 1. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a really good day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow for our next puzzle.